This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress without a domain. This is perfect for learning, testing, or building a site offline before it goes live. You'll need a local development environment, which acts like a server on your computer. Popular options include Local by WP Engine, XAMPP, or MAMP. These tools allow you to install WordPress directly onto your machine, giving you a private space to experiment and develop without needing to purchase a domain or hosting right away. It's a fantastic way to get started. Once you've chosen a local server software, the next step is installation. For example, with Local by WP Engine, you simply download and run the installer. After installation, you can create a new site with just a few clicks, specifying a site name and a local domain, like my site. Local. The software automatically sets up the necessary database and WordPress files. This process usually takes less than 5 minutes, providing you with a fully functional WordPress installation, ready for development. With your local WordPress site up and running, you can now dive into development. Install themes and plugins just as you would on a live site. Experiment with different designs, customize layouts, and add your content. You can upload images, create pages, and write blog posts, all within your private environment. This allows for extensive testing and refinement without any public visibility. It's an ideal sandbox for learning and perfecting your WordPress skills at your own pace. If you wish to share your local site with others temporarily, tools like ngrok can create a secure, publicly accessible URL for a limited time without needing a domain. This is great for client reviews or showcasing progress. When you're ready to go live, you can easily migrate your entire local WordPress installation to a web host and a purchased domain. This two-step approach ensures you have complete control and flexibility throughout your website development journey, saving you time and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.